Okay, so we're looking at this directed investigation for you. All right. And this first question is, what is the total number? So it's not asking you for any percentage. It's asking for the number of injuries per year. Okay, in all 8 sports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 8 sports. Okay. So on your new sheet of paper, rolled up properly.
Yep.
Okay, first sport is Australian football.
Yep.
And the total injuries there, what's the total injuries for Australian football?
246.
And is it 246? Do you think Australia-wide there would be 246 injuries in football? Or is that a bit small?
There would probably be more than that.
There would probably be more than that. So check out your graph. Can you see anything on your graph that makes you think maybe it's more than 246?
I can see another number, 492.
Yeah, but we're not looking at that graph. Don't worry about that graph. That's asking for something else later on. We're just looking here at the moment.
Yep.
Is there anything there? Let's have a look up here. Is there anything there that tells us that there may be more than 246? What's that there? What is this here? What would we call that? What would we call that bit there?
What it says.
Yeah, what is it?
It's telling you how much injuries and all that.
Absolutely. So it's the title, isn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right. So this is the title of the graph.
Yeah.
Very good. It tells you what this is all about.
Yeah.
Really good. Okay. Is there and we know that this graph relates to Australian football, and this one to soccer, and this one to cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We know that these numbers must show some of these numbers here. All right. Is there anything else on that graph that you go, oh, hang on a minute, I haven't considered that? Is there anything there? Like, what's this here?
Person playing cricket.
Yeah. Does that help you with anything here?
It's just a picture, so probably not.
Absolutely. All right. Is there anything else there that you see that we haven't sort of looked at or discussed? You or me haven't talked about in this brief session. Is there anything there?
Can't really think of anything else we should.
Okay. Have we talked about this?
Yeah. The
Yep.
title.
Okay. Have we talked about this thing here?
Yep.
Yep. We've talked about that. Have we talked about this group here? So we talked about all those things?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Have we talked about these numbers here?
No, that's what I was about to say.
Okay. Well, we spoke about the fact that those numbers probably reflect what's here. 146, so it's just below this line. Yep, so we've probably talked about them. Is there anything else now that you can see that we haven't talked about, that I haven't circled?
I can't really read the number, but it's figures in something.
Excellent. It's this thing here, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. And can you read it off your graph there, which is in front of you? It actually looks like this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's figures in 000.
Okay, 000. Is there maybe a number that has 3 zeros after it? What do we call those numbers? For example, if you're given a number like that,
Yep.
what is there?
What, according to the...
Yep, what's that number? Tell me what this number is.
4,000.
4,000. What's this number? 1, 2, 3.
13,000.
What's the common thing you're saying? 1,000, aren't you?
Yeah.
Figures in thousands.
Yeah.
That's what they're saying. They're saying that this figure here of 21 is in thousands.
Yep.
All right, so is this 21 injuries or is it 21,000 injuries?
1,000.
21,000. So is it 246 injuries for footy or is it
It's
246,000?
246,000.
Excellent. What about this one for soccer? Is it 146?
146,000.
Okay. What about rugby?
80,000.
Okay. So, Blake, what we're doing here is we are reading off the graph for this first question here.
Yep.
I don't like using red. In this first question here, find the total number of injuries per year
Yep.
in all 8 sports.
Yep.
Australian football. How many injuries in the year?
240.
How many injuries?
246,000 injuries.
246,000 injuries. Very good. Okay. What would be the next thing that we would do?
You would have to divide that number by.
Oh no, I don't need to touch that number anymore.
Sorry.
We're going back to the question. What's the total number of injuries per year in all 8
409.
in all 8 sports? Have we done all 8 sports yet?
No.
Okay, so what might be next?
Soccer.
Could be. Excellent. Let's go. Could be soccer. How many injuries there?
146,000.
146, and because it's all in thousands, very good, 146,000 injuries. Okay? So, Blake, you go through and you talk about each one of those there.
Yeah.
And that would do A. That would be how many injuries there are.
Yeah.
Okay?
So,
We'll leave you with that for the time being, okay?
Alright, so we're going to start again. Question